Hey everyone! Did you know over 700,000 TikTokers have recently jump shipped to RedNote, aka xiaohongshu? Some are drawn by its authentic personal recommendations, while others see it as a kind of digital revenge against TikTok's potential ban in some regions. But here's the thing, xiaohongshu has its own language. Without it, navigating the platform can feel like exploring a new city without a map. Don't worry though. Before you make the leap, I'll share 5 essential buzzwords to help you speak like a pro and thrive on RedNote. Welcome back to 你最喜欢的中文 where we make learning Chinese buzzwords as fun as discovering your next favorite product on xiaohongshu. Let's go. Term number 1, 种草。
昨天刷小红书的时候，被博主种草了一个精华粉底，我超想买。
Yesterday, while scrolling on RedNote, a blogger planted grass for an amazing serum foundation. I really want to buy it. This term describes the moment someone inspires you to want something through their post. For example, if you see a glowing review of skincare and suddenly feel like you need it, congratulations, they've successfully planted grass in your heart. Grammar tip: use 种草 as a verb in informal sentences, often followed by the object of your newfound desire. Term number 2, 拔草。
这个周末我终于拔草了，那家网红餐厅。结果菜品没有想象中好吃。
This weekend, I finally pulled grass for that viral restaurant. Turns out the food wasn't as good as I expected. The opposite of planting grass, 拔草, means you finally tried something that was on your wish list and formed your own opinion about it, whether good or bad. It's like crossing an item off your bucket list. Grammar tip: 拔草 functions as a verb. It's usually followed by the item or experience you've tried, commonly used in past tense contexts to share your personal verdict. Have you recently 拔草 something on your list? Term number 3, 安利. What it means? 我一定要安利这本书，故事太精彩了，停不下来。I absolutely have to recommend this book. The storyline is so exciting, I couldn't put it down. Originally derived from the Chinese transliteration of Amway, has evolved to mean to recommend something strongly. If you're passionate about a product, experience, or anything you love, you can 安利 it to others through posts, comments, or conversations. Grammar tip is commonly used as a verb. It's paired with the object you're recommending. The tone is enthusiastic, casual, and often conversational. What's something you can't wait to 安利 to your friends? Term number 4, 踩雷。网购的牛油果踩雷了。何巨大. The avocados I bought online were a total landmine. The pits were huge. What it means: not all recommendations work out. 踩雷 describes the unlucky experience of trying something that turns out to be a major disappointment. Posts using this term often help others avoid making the same mistake. Grammar tip: 踩雷 is typically used in past tense context to reflect on a bad experience. It's paired with the disappointing item, event, or situation. Have you recently 踩雷 with something you regret? Term number 5, 避雷。大家避雷这家网红酒店早餐极差。Everyone avoid this viral ho. The breakfast is terrible. What it means: the proactive counterpart to 踩雷, stepping on a landmine. 避雷 means offering tips or warnings to help others avoid disappointing or problematic products and experiences. It's all about steering clear of trouble before it happens. Grammar tip is often used in warning contexts. Pair it with specific items, places, or experiences, or use it for general advice. What's your latest 避雷 tip to share? Which of these terms are you most excited to use? Or do you already have a 种草 story to share? Drop a comment below. And here's a sneak peek. Next time, we'll explore even more xiaohongshu buzzwords to supercharge your experience. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into Chinese trends and culture. Got topic ideas or questions about xiaohongshu? Let me know. Until next time, bye.